Do you solemnly state that the testimony you may give in the cause now pending before this court shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Thank you. May I please have you state and spell your first and last name for the record, please?
Dianne Shmidt, Dianneshmidt.
Great, thank you. You may take a seat. Please watch your step.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good morning, Ms. Schmidt. You're Emani Ellis' grandmother.
I am.
You live in Las Vegas.
I do.
And what did you do for a living before you retired?
I work for City National Bank.
For how many
here
years?
in LA.
How many years?
Probably 12 years, 13 years. I retired from there.
Did you? You are. I'm sorry. Straight up. On how many? What type of basis would you see Emani Ellis over the last 8 years?
She tries to come see me every month, unless business takes her elsewhere. She's there almost every month.
What if we go a little further? When she was born in 1992 up until the present, you saw her regularly?
I saw her every week. Every week. In fact, when she came home from the hospital, she came to me. Her mother was sick. She was sick for a while, but she came to me every weekend, her and her other sister.
And you were involved in her day-to-day activities, the weekly activities?
Sometimes when she asked or whatever.
Did she ever get in any fights, to your knowledge?
Never. She was always the mediator. She always tried to keep things calm. She has 5 brothers and sisters. She's trying always to keep it. She's the eldest, so.
Do you consider her a peacemaker?
Oh, definitely. Definitely.
What is your understanding of how she got the scar to her face?
Objection by foundation.
What is what?
Do you know how Emani Ellis got the scar to her face?
Objection by foundation. Leading.
Sustained.
Are you aware that Emani Ellis was assaulted and battered in 2018?
Sustained. Counsel, again, focus on what she knows.
Do you know if Emani Ellis was ever assaulted?
Yes, I do. She called me almost after it.
What are some of the changes? Well, strike that. Did you notice a change in Emani Ellis in some point in her life?
Well, after this incident, she was depressed. She was really disappointed. I think she liked Cardi before the incident, and she was shocked that she was reacted that way. And she just was depressed. And every time she relived it, listening to her music on the radio, and it was kind of she couldn't really avoid it. So it affected her because she couldn't make it right.
And the incident you were just telling us about, when approximately did it happen, to your knowledge?
Well, it was right after my birthday, but it was, I don't know what the year was, but it was a long time ago.
When is your birthday?
February 16th.
If I told you the incident happened on February 24th of 2018, would that refresh your recollection?
Yeah, that sounds pretty clear. I don't know, is it 2018?
Yes.
Yeah, that's about right.
And you noticed a change in your granddaughter after 2018?
Yeah.
Right after your birthday?
Yeah.
Did you see the scar to Emani Ellis' face after February 24th of 2018?
Objection by foundation. Leading.
You can answer.
I can't? Yeah, I did. She was, she's a pretty girl. She wants to maintain her face, and it was like it damaged her face, and she was trying to make that right.
All right. Now, let's take it from birth, 1992, up until February 24th of 2018.
Okay.
In that time period, did Emani Ellis, to your knowledge, ever sustain a scar to anywhere on her face?
Not that I know of.
Did you ever see a scar during that
Never.
time frame? And after this incident on February 24th of 2018, you with your own eyes saw the scar to her face?
Oh yeah, I saw it.
Okay. And when she got plastic surgery from Dr. Mulliken, did it improve?
Objection,
Oh.
lacks foundation.
You can answer.
Yeah, he was actually a very good surgeon. He covered it very well.
And it is still present now a little bit, correct?
Very slightly, but she's lucky.
No further questions. Thank you.
All right, Rob?
Thank you, Your Honor. Hello, Ms. Schmidt.
Hello.
My name is Peter Anderson, and I just have a few questions for you.
Okay.
Thank you for coming in. I take it you love your granddaughter, correct?
Yeah.
And you're here to help her, right?
Well, if I can.
Thank you. And I apologize for objecting. It's one of the things that I have to do in order to be a lawyer.
I understand.
But thank you. I appreciate that. And you don't need evidence to believe her. She's your granddaughter, right?
She either has it or she doesn't. I mean, you either see it or you don't.
Okay. You know she was employed as a security guard, right?
Mm-hmm.
And
Yes, but
That's a yes.
yes.
yeah, sometimes it's hard for the court reporter if someone says
Okay.
You knew she was employed as a security guard, and you know that she was fired after the alleged incident with Cardi B.
Objection misstates the testimony.
Consistent.
Well, let me go back. You knew that she was employed as a security guard, right?
Yes.
And were you aware she was fired?
Objection calls for speculation.
But
You can answer the question. Were you aware that she was fired as a security guard?
it was my understanding she was told that she was going to be fired
Okay.
by Cardi.
Were you aware that at the time, 2 days after the incident, she apologized to the security guard company for her own misconduct that day of the alleged incident?
I told you she's a person that tries to make sure everything is straightened out, so she apologized for what she saw as a disturbance, I think.
Were you aware that she apologized to the security company that employed her for her own misconduct?
Hey,
Objection calls for speculation.
Did she ever tell you that?
no, I didn't discuss that with her.
Did she ever tell you that she told the company that employed her that Cardi scratched her on her nose, not her cheek?
Objection misstates the document.
She didn't tell you that, did she?
What?
She didn't tell you
just
that.
she was like, her figure was all over her face. So I mean, it could be land anywhere.
Okay, but you only saw a scar, you say,
On her cheek.
On her cheek. You never saw any scar on her nose, did you?
No, not on her nose. I didn't.
Did you notice a scar on her nose, ma'am?
No.
Okay, thank you. I'm sorry, I couldn't quite hear you.
Oh,
And I think that's all the questions that I have for you. Thank you.
All right, you're right.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you. Are you aware that in the incident report that counsel asked you about, your granddaughter expressed that the defendant pointed her 3-inch acrylic fingernails into her face?
Objection. Outside the scope.
Are you aware in the incident report which counsel represented that your granddaughter apologized, are you aware that she apologized for being belittled?
Objection. I'm sorry. Objection that mischaracterizes the document outside the scope.
Consistent.
Are you aware that she apologized for being called?
Counsel, I'm not sure we established that she knows anything about that statement.
Do you know things about the statement, like the different words that were used against your granddaughter?
Objection. Hearsay. Argumentative.
Are you aware that your granddaughter was called the N-word?
Objection.
Sustained. Counsel, can I have anything further?
I'm sorry, Your Honor?
Do you have anything further?
Yes. If your granddaughter apologized, could she have been apologizing for her part of the incident?
Objection. License.
Sustained.
Isn't it true that in every incident there's two parts,
Objection.
and people are responsible for their
Counsel,
side
she's
of
a
the
fact
story?
witness. Do you have any questions about facts?
I'm sorry, one moment here. That's all, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
All right, you recross?
I know you're on the table.
All right, questions from the jury? Do you want to write that out, please?
Do it.
Ma'am, do you have an approximate time as to when Miss Ellis called you? Do you know the approximate time?
I really couldn't tell you.
Did she tell you how long ago on that phone call? Did she tell you how long prior to the call that it happened? Or in other words, should you say this just happened or it happened earlier?
Well, she called me right after.
Right after?
And she was humiliated, so she
Okay.
was crying.
Okay. Any follow-up questions?
Did she during that call tell you that she was cut on her face by Cardi B?
Objection.
Sustained.
Yes.
Did she tell you on the call that she...
Counsel, the question was about the time. It's not. We're not going to reopen a new area of testimony.
Okay, Your Honor, I understand. Did she call you the same day of the incident?
Objection. Lies foundation calls for speculation. Hearsay.
Overruled.
Your answer?
Yes.
And that was February 24th of 2018?
Yes.
Thank you. No further questions.
Ma'am, could you please give us the last 4 digits of your phone number in 2018? The number that Ms. Ellis would have called?
I had a different phone then. 818.
Do you remember the previous?
Wow.
What was the area code?
Area 818.
Any of the other numbers?
Objection, ask and answer.
I'm sorry, I really don't remember.
I probably couldn't remember mine, but thank you very much.
It took me a long time to remember the new one.
Yeah, I know how that is. Thank you, ma'am.
All right. Can this witness be excused?
Yes, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor, we may have to recall it.
Okay. All right. You can step down in.
Thank you.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, that brings us to our lunch break. We're going to resume promptly at 1:30. As always, please do not discuss the case with anyone else, including other jurors. Don't form any opinions or do any research. We'll see you at 1:30.